Hello everyone, here is the design panel for Sue Ferreira's custom You Can Fly butterfly pendant. And she has chosen the shape on the right hand side, and if I can do this without my hand covering up the film, go left to right, I will move that onto the design panel and you will see a little bit more about the window that has been selected by Sue. That's the version more or less, and I'll be cutting it out with the diamond ring saw now. It sort of looks like a child's puzzle. I'll show you after it's finished being cut. And then it's time to grind and belt sand, and it's in the grinding stage that this wing will actually come alive in my fingers. It takes on a whole new dimension if I pay close attention to all the angles and the curves. So here I go into another creative process now that Sue has chosen her shape and the aspect. I gave her about 6 different aspects to consider. So here I go, and stay tuned.